Xena! Hey! So I'm gonna send you this video, so I'll hope it comes to you. Xena, baby! Say hi! Oh, sweetie. She's a very sweet cat. I just wanted to show you how she plays with her toys. So she's got her own toy box here. This is all her toys. And her favorite is already out because she probably dug it out. Here we go. That's not your favorite toy, is it? Okay then. String. It's a pom-pom. Yeah, see, she likes it when I drag it. Watch the ball. You will play with the toy. So she is 2 years old, and yeah, this is a toy I bought for her. It's like $2. Really good deal. Bedtime toy play, you know. Here you go. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, baby. She's a mama's girl. She likes to sit in the bed and play. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Watch when I tickle her. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Don't you bite. Naughty, 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 naughty. Got your bit. Got your foot. I'm gonna get your foot. Yes, I am. I'm gonna get your foot. Let's get a close up. Maybe she'll say hi. Hi, how's it going? Alright, well, I'll oh, looky, the cookie. She's crawling off the bed. Look at how big her eyes get. It's just so funny. Come here. This is my daughter. You're gonna have to live with it. She hates that. Look at it. She's like, why, Mama? Why? Here's your toy. Okay, well, I'll let you go, and hopefully you practice that song a bit. I'll ask about February, whatever, for Valentine's Day, and I know you're looking.